Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. And, hopefully you were able to finish Tuck Everlasting yesterday with no issues. Today, we're going to try something a little different. It's going to be, logging into Clever and going to my webpage. You're going to click on to Newsela, which looks like this. So it's a blue icon and it says Newsela, and it has an N. That's supposed to be an N on it. All right. When you click in, okay, you're going to see assignments. And I have assigned you this article. It says you scored a touchdown. Great, but don't let the NFL catch you celebrating. Okay. Go ahead and click into the article. And what you're going to see is something similar to this. My page looks a little different than yours, but it's the same basic idea, okay? Up at the top, there is some Lexile settings, and I'd like you to make sure that your Lexile is set to English 830, okay? And if you need to, it can read aloud to you. You can click the read aloud button and it will read the article to you. However, many of you probably will choose to read this on your own. What I do want you to do is really kind of play around with the tools a little bit, highlighting, okay? So if you select text, okay, you should be able to highlight it. You can use whatever color you like to, but what I'd like you to focus on highlighting are supporting details for the central idea, okay? So you might have to read it fully first, then go back, and each section, meaning sections here, so first we have the no fun league, okay? Then we have all of a sudden it's a penalty. So instead of paragraphs, we're working with each section of text. Taking the joy out of the game is another section. Players are frustrated is another section. And then finally, celebration rules are confusing. So for each section, I'd like you to highlight 2 to 3 supporting details and then come up with a main idea or central idea of each section. So for this first part here, you don't have to highlight anything here. I'm just showing you how to use the highlighting tools. You should be able to select the text and you should be able to highlight in different colors, okay? If you want to play around with colors, fine. Go ahead and do that. It doesn't matter what color you're highlighting. And then underneath that, you should then be able to annotate. So I'm gonna do, section number 1 for you. So that when you go in, you already have section 1 done. You'll have to do it yourself, but you'll already know what to highlight, okay? So let's go ahead and look at this first section. And we're just going to include this section in with the first section. So it says, dancing, don't do it. Antonio Brown. Pretending to shoot a bow and arrow, no way. Josh Norman and Brandon Cooks. Taking off your helmet, nope, Odell Beckham Jr. Shooting a jump shot through a goalpost? Forget about it, Vernon Davis. So this first section says, the No Fun League. This is the title of this section. The National Football League officials are calling some celebrations out of bounds. They also don't allow players to taunt or tease the other team. Officials have been calling more penalties or punishments on players as part of the league's push for improved behavior. Thanks to similar crackdowns over the years, the sport has earned the nickname of the No Fun League. Now some players and fans wonder if the NFL has gone too far. Davis was given a penalty for flipping the football like a basketball over the goalpost last Sunday. He did this jump shot after making a touchdown catch. His team, Washington, was playing the Philadelphia Eagles. Okay, so for each section, we're going to highlight a couple of supporting details. So, let's see, the NFL says celebrations are out of bounds. I think this is a supporting detail. I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to pick this purple color, purpley blue color, okay? See, officials have been calling more penalties. There's another supporting detail. Davis was given a penalty for flipping a football over the goalpost. Like I said, you only need 2 in each paragraph, 2 or 3. And it has earned the nickname the No Fun League. So as I highlight this last detail that I think kind of sum up what the main or central idea here is, I am going to annotate that the main idea or central idea here is that the NFL has cracked down on celebrations. Okay, there we go. So here you can see I have highlighted my supporting details, and then the last supporting detail I annotated and I put in there the NFL. Let me just move this a little bit so you can see the NFL has cracked down on celebrations. So basically, what you need to do is work through then the remainder of the passage, highlighting your supporting details and clicking on annotate and making sure that you're putting the central idea of that whole section, okay, in a nutshell, what is that section saying, okay? And then you're going to complete the rest of those paragraphs or those sections, and then making sure that you're taking the quiz. You do not have to do the writing section, but you are going to click on quiz, okay? And you are going to take the quiz, which is going to come up with some questions based on supporting details and central idea, okay? So please make sure you do that, and all this data then is submitted through Newsela, and I can then get in and see the data and give you credit for completing this activity. Again, if you have questions or concerns, please reach out to me. Like I said, this is kind of a trial. We'll work on this a little bit more when you guys come back to class next week. And then tomorrow we're going to be working on a little bit of writing with central idea and supporting details, okay? So good luck with this today. Enjoy this article, and again, reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great day. Bye.